1, then 2, got it. Dum da dum, da 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 dum. Okay, this time it's opening. Wow, that is looking nice. Okay, so let's grab the big Xbox. Holy bananas, this one is heavy. Oh yeah, it's way heavier than the Xbox Series S, which is a very weird name either way for an Xbox, but oh well. We get a brochure right here and instructions on how to run it, which is fine. And here we get a controller, and that's the controller that we are working with. And then inside there is some batteries as well. And you get an HDMI cable, which is right here, very basic. And then the power cable, and I am glad that the power source is not external, it's actually internal, so you only have to plug that, which would be useful. I would say the unboxing just for the box is definitely more premium experience than the Series S, which you can check the video on the channel if you want to. And the main guy over here, the Xbox. So here we go. Ooh, beautiful. That's really nice. I guess I did put it upside down. And that's the Xbox Series X in its glory. Nice. So here we do have the disc, which you can insert any disc you like here. I would assume this presser right here, when you press it, the disc will come out. This is the power button right here. What you do have on the side is the Xbox logo, which is right here at the very bottom. And then the back right here has multiple stuff which you can use, to plug the power, the internet, the Ethernet, and a USB as well. And I do actually have the storage, which is the external storage, which usually you put right here for the Xbox. I do have it in the Series S, and I will take it from the Series S and put it right here. And let's see it side by side next to the Xbox Series S. And this is the Xbox Series S right next to it, which I had for around a year. And then that's the back of the Xbox Series S, and in the back you do have a very similar layout where you put things, and I do have the 1TB hard drive right here, which will be transferring to the Xbox Series X, since I will be using that mainly. Aside from this is the front where the air exhaust is right here, and the Xbox Series S served me really well, and it has been a wonderful machine. It definitely doesn't have a disc. I don't use a disc. The only game that I have a disc for, which as you can see right now, is actually Tales of Arise, because I do have the collector's edition, which came with the disc. But even with that, I did contact Konami and I told them, hey, I do not have a disc or whatever, and they actually sent me a digital game. Sorry, not Konami, but Bandai. After contacting them, they sent me a digital version of the game, because they were like, well, we actually like you to enjoy the game and such, so here's the digital version for the game, since you bought the collector edition anyway. And I am very thankful for that. So these are the two. In terms of size, the S is way smaller and the S is way easier to travel with. I'm not sure if I would travel again, I would take the Series X or not. It's definitely heavier, but I am sure the performance in terms of quality and all of that, it would be a little bit better. But honestly, the Series S will be just fine, and I will take this machine for the second time. But aside from that, that was a quick unboxing for the Series X, and I will definitely be doing more videos about it and more comparison and sharing my opinions after I use it and everything. But in the meantime, I hope that you did enjoy this video. Thank you for subscribing, liking the video, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.